The black bear.
Physical features. Black bears tend to have thick and chunky bodies. The head of a black bear is very broad. The black bear's muzzle is either tan or brown. The black bear has long curved claws to help it climb. Black bears have short, powerful legs to help itself climb. The average height for a male black bear is 47 to 79 inches. The average height for a female black bear is 28 to 41 inches tall. The average weight for a male black bear is 126 to 551 pounds. The average weight for a female black bear is 90 to 375 pounds. The average age for a black bear is 10 years but can live up to 30 years in the wild.
Black bears reproduce in May and June, and their litters range from 1 cub to 4. Before black bears reproduce, the two bears will somewhat flirt with each other. Black bear sexual reproduction lasts about 30 minutes. Mother black bears will stay with their cubs for about a year and a half, and then they will leave them. Black bear females typically produce cubs every 2 years. The 2-year reproductive cycle is genetically timed to interchange with the annual cycle of plant growth and fruiting of the region. If the young die for some reason, the female will reproduce again after only 1 year. The sperm fertilizes microscopic eggs in the uterus. The egg is quickly developed into a tiny ball of cells called a blastocyte. The black bears have delayed implantation. That means that the blastocytes suspend further development until they implant the uterine wall. After implantation, the blastocytes develop rapidly. Soon come the cubs that join the world in mid-January.
Behavior and reproduction. The black bear's behavior affects the reproduction cycle when a male black bear is trying to mate with other female black bears. In this case, let's say another black bear comes along and tries to mate with the female. The male black bears will fight each other for dominance of the female. This increases the successfulness of reproduction by having an older or more dominant male mating with the female. Once the females have its cubs, it will do anything to protect its young. Also, beginning stages of mating season, the female will play hard to get just to make the black bear more interested in her. All of the reproduction happens around the same time. Let me tell you why the mating season revolves around the planet and fruit growing cycle. Once the sow has its cubs, it will have food in the spring when its cubs are starting to grow.
Habitat. The black bear is native to North America and can be found all over the United States. In the wild, the black bear needs a den with a significant amount of cover from storms, rain, and also a place to protect their cubs. They will use their environment to build the den so it is nice, warm, and dry. The black bear also needs a home range they live in that has all of the food, water, and shelter they need to survive. Males have a much larger home range than female black bears. The black bears can basically live in any weather condition and terrain. They just need food and water. Some black bears are even invading human habitats looking for food now too. Black bears will dig through trash to find the high-calorie food for a snack.
Bibliography. A civilized society must count animals as worthy of moral consideration and ethical treatment. The question is not can they reason, nor can they talk, but can they suffer. Jeremy Bentham, an 18th century supporter.